Well, we've come from over this direction, and we've come. Here are my friends I'm traveling with.
Oh, amazing!
And nice waterfall here. That's not going to work on video, but we'll see what happens. Nice. Oh, it's beautiful green. Yeah, very nice. Well worth it. It's a little treacherous to get here, but I came prepared. People are renting umbrellas for $3,000, which is about 30 cents, but I've got my rain gear. I bought when I was in Lithuania from Mountain Equipment Co-op. It came in the mail eventually. Very nice. Well, I'm going to take a photo now.